Guys, look, I know it's June. I know you have senioritis, but you've got your project coming up soon. You have to think about your project titles. Come on, you have to work on your projects. All right, so get busy. Come on, let's go. Get busy.
God, I'm so sick of math. Why can't you let us out of here, Brumberg?
Oh my god, this is the last thing I want to do. What are we doing? I have to leave for basic training in like 3 weeks. At least my arms look good.
What is going on? What is she trying to teach us? I'm so hungry. I can't wait to eat when I go home. What should I eat when I go home?
I'm too busy grading biolabs to do this calc project. Wow, not too good. Ooh, messed up the Punnett squares there. Points off. Oh my god, I wonder what today's date is. The 15th? The calc project's due tomorrow. Oh my god.
Yeah?
You know, like the calc project is due tomorrow? So, can you, stop whatever you're doing and come to my house so we can do this thing?
I don't know. I'm pretty busy right now.
It's even quiet.
I'm looking for my friend actually. He went missing.
Oh my god, who's lost?
Walter?
Oh my god, Joe, stop reading birds. Waldo, we have to do our calc project. It's the final grade.
Whatever. Coming.
Thank you.
It's M. Don't worry about it.
You sure?
Yeah.
I wonder what she wants. Is that you again?
I don't know.
It's M. Why would M
She
be
what?
calling me? I gotta answer. Hello?
Jack, we have to do the calc project that's due tomorrow.
Why?
Because it's due tomorrow and it's like that final exam. And have you talked to Gino because he didn't answer my call?
Yeah, I mean, I'm not really sure where he is, but...
Can we just do the project?
Can you do it?
No. It's due tomorrow and I can't do it all by myself.
Alright, fine, I'll be over.
Okay, come over. Thanks.
Alright guys, as much as I don't really want to, we kind of have to get started on this project. So what do you guys want to do first? You want to just define it, draw out a graph, say what it is? I mean, can't be that hard, right? Okay, so first we have to recognize that here we have a nice continuous and differentiable curve. And what mean value theorem states is that somewhere between points A and B, there will be a tangent line that is parallel to the line formed by the chord between A and B. Okay, so as a formula, this is what mean value theorem looks like. You have the slope of the tangent line of that certain point C. So f prime of C is going to be equal to the slope between those 2 points on the function. So f of B, or y, minus f of A, so these would be your y coordinates, over B minus A, which would be your x coordinates. That would be the slope of that line, which would be equal to the slope of your tangent line.
Okay, so what we have written here is the mean value theorem, and using that formula we're going to evaluate this example. F of x equals x squared plus 2x minus 1 on the interval 0 to 1. So start out with f prime of c, which is going to be the derivative of this, which is 2c plus 2. So set 2c plus 2 equal to f of 1 minus f of 0 over 1 minus 0. And then 2c plus 2 equals 2 plus 1 over 1. 2c plus 2 equals 3. And then 2c equals 1, so c equals 1/2.
Here we have the function f of x equals the absolute value of x on the interval -1 to 1.
Jeff,
So to
stop.
what?
Stop it. This is not continuous and differentiable. Draw the
So-
graph of the absolute value of x.
I can draw that graph.
Okay. Now look at this point here. Is that differentiable? I don't think so. It's a corner. Do another
Here
problem.
we have the function f of x equals the square root of x, and this function on the interval 4 to 16 is differentiable and continuous. So we're going to start off, we're going to use our equation over here, f prime of c equals f of b minus f of a over b minus a. So we're going to start off f prime of c equals 1 over 2 times the square root of c. And we're going to set that equal to f of 16 minus f of 4 over 16 minus 4. So we're going to simplify this to 1 over 2 times the square root of c equals f of 16 is 4 minus 2 over 12. Alright, so we get to 1 over 2 times the square root of c equals 4 minus 2 over 12, so we can simplify that to 6 over 2 times the square root of c equals 1, and then that just is 3 equals the square root of c. And then we square both sides, and our final answer is 9 equals c.
Okay, we have this example for you to try. F of x equals x cubed plus x on the interval 0 to 1.
Yeah.
Okay, first let's start off by saying that this function is continuous and differentiable. It's a polynomial, and on the interval it is continuous and differentiable. So the derivative of the function, we'll use c as a variable, would be 3c squared plus 1. So we're going to set that equal to f of 1 minus f of 0 over 1 minus 0. So when we simplify that, we get 2 minus 0 over 1. So we're going to have that equal to 2. Then we're just going to solve for c. So 3c squared equals 1. Divide by 3 on both sides. 1/3. And then we're going to take the square root of each side. And we're going to get the square root of 1/3.
So absolute convergence is if the series absolute value a sub n converges, then the sum of a n is said to converge absolutely. That can be found on page 506.
I'll graph it.
Graph it, yeah.
Oh, that's good.
Wait, guys. It's the end of June. We're done.
We're done.